So in the last video, we have seen how we can discover network devices and gather information about them using Nmap or ZenMap. In this video, we are going to cover another tool which can be used to hunt social media accounts using their username. So the tool which we are going to see in this video is called Sherlock. Sherlock is basically a tool which is written in Python in order to hunt down social media accounts across social networks with the help of your username. In order to use Sherlock, we need to download it from that GitHub repository. So for downloading it, we need to first copy this URL, and after copying this URL, we need to open the terminal, and in terminal we need to type git clone and then paste that URL here. And after placing that URL, we need to add .git at the end. So as soon as I hit enter, it will clone the repository in my local system so that I can use it. So as you can see, the cloning has started and it's done now. So let's check. So as you can see here, it has created a folder named Sherlock. So let's enter the folder. So after entering the folder, I can see a lot of files here listed. So first of all, to run Sherlock on my system, I need Python 3 installed in my system. So Python 3 is already installed in my system. If you don't have it installed, please install Python. And after installing Python, we need to install all the required libraries which are required for running Sherlock. So these libraries are listed in this file called requirements.txt. So we will install it using the pip installer, which installs all the necessary modules for Python. So to install the requirements.txt file, we need to type python 3 m pip install and give us -r and say requirements.txt. So this command will install all the necessary libraries which are very important to run the Sherlock application. So as soon as I hit enter, it will start installing all the libraries. So as you can see, this is now installed. So let's clear the terminal first. So we are ready to run Sherlock. So in order to run Sherlock, we need to go inside another folder which is named Sherlock. So let's go. So as soon as we enter this folder, we can see there are some files listed here. So the file we need to run run the Sherlock script is this sherlock.py. So in order to run this file, we will first type python 3 and then say sherlock.py, and after this we need to give it the username which we want to search. So for example, if I want to search a username user123, so this command will basically search the username 123 and search if it has an account on the social media websites which are listed inside this Sherlock application. So let's hit enter and see what happens. So as you can see, it started the checking for the username, and it's listing all the websites where this username is being used. So as you can see, it's returning the links to those profiles here. We can use these links to gather information about the target. So this is not fully precise, so we need to go to each link and check if it's the person we are actually searching for or not. So it's scanning on all other websites also. So for now I will exit it. So as soon as I exit it, we can also specify multiple usernames to search for. Like for example, we specified one username here, user123. We can specify another username like user241. So this command will basically search for both the usernames across all the platforms and return results for both in a mixed format. So as you can see, it has started searching again and all the results are being displayed now. For now, I will exit this. So after the scan is complete, you can visit these links and find information as I said. So this was all about Sherlock.